Mr. Harish, you are going for AO accounts or what?
Yes, sir. Accounts only. AO.
Oh, great. I think somebody sent some questions also today. Did you go through that?
That was for OACL exam, na, sir. I
Even
have checked
then,
those. Yes.
insurance is insurance, Baba.
Yes, sir. I have checked. I have checked them.
Acha. Insurance is insurance.
Yes, sir. Yes.
More or less same AO, OACL accounts.
Mm-hmm.
I think you are not ready. You are going to be caught now. Please tell me that double entry bookkeeping rules.
Yes, sir. As per the double entry principle of accounting standards, every aspect of the transaction has a two entries, which is debit and credit. For example, we receive a cash from Mr. Manoj. So here cash is coming in. So debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Cash is coming in, so cash is debited and Mr. Manoj is credited. Yes, sir. This is how double entry system works, sir.
This is not the answer. I will give you only 4 out of 10 for this answer. Can you tell me why? Because you have not told me the accounts are classified into threefold: personal account, real account, nominal account. Under personal accounts, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Under real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Under nominal account, debit what all expenses, credit all incomes. So why can't you explain such things properly? What is it you have studied? Tell me.
But those are principles of I mean rules of accounts, na, sir.
Yeah, that's
We
what
have
I
to.
asked. That's what I asked. Double entry bookkeeping rules.
Okay, rules I didn't heard, sir. I think.
This is the very basic question they are asking. First question was that one. Rules of double entry bookkeeping. Are you seeing online
Okay,
now
rules.
this question?
Mm.
Are you seeing
Okay,
online on
rules I
the
didn't.
yeah? Are you seeing the questions on the on online?
Yes, sir. I can see that.
Very same question they have asked. Please tell me what are reserves? Isha
Reserves are.
Gupta, one minute. Isha Gupta, you may not be asked this much stuff, huh? But however, if you are prepared up to this level, you can master your interviewer. You can do it very well. इतना तकलीफ आपको जरूरत नहीं है फिर भी. Now, Kamineni, please tell me what are reserves?
Yes, sir. Reserves are funds put aside from the profits of the organization to meet the future expenditures or future growth of the business, such as capital redemption reserves, security premium reserves, and free reserves. Yes, sir. These are
Acha.
kind of
What are
reserves to
the
improve the business.
what are the common reserves insurance companies keep?
Yes, sir. Commonly, we keep unexpired premium reserves, unexpired risk reserves, solvency reserves. Yes, sir. All these reserves we keep in the insurance industry.
Did you check it up properly? Are you sure this is the right answer?
Unexpired risk reserve is the major reserve we put aside, sir, and provision for taxations.
Hmm. What are the different types of reserves in insurance? There are several types of reserves. Life insurance companies maintain policy reserves, while property and casualty companies maintain unearned premium reserves, loss reserves, and voluntary reserves. I don't know what they are. Type of
In
reserves.
annual statement, I have seen these unexpired risk reserves and unearned premium reserve only, sir. Normally, these are the major reserves.
What are the technical reserves of insurance companies? Any insurance company's technical reserves are defined as financial funds of its clients having been accumulated as a proportion of insurance premium and calculated on the basis of actuarial mathematics. I don't know what is it. How do companies have reserves? Reserves are typically up to 12% of an insurance company's revenue. insurance companies gather extensive data to estimate how much, say, a typical claim may cost. Then, what are the different types of statutory reserves? General reserve and specific reserve. Can insurance companies invest their reserves? Legal reserves and insurance companies, interest income and capital gains. Insurance companies invest their legal reserves in a variety of financial instruments, including bonds, stocks, real estate, and other assets. So I think for this these answers you will get in the material I have given you. I think I have given you a material of your NIACL. In that NIACL, 1 minute. There is one book they have brought out. In that book, there a lot of details would have been given, and questions can be expected from that also. Okay. I have asked very simple question this time. Next time I will ask tough ones. Next one. What is life insurance?
Life insurance is an insurance which covers the uh, life of a person. There are many types of life insurance, such as term plan, ULIP plans, whole life policy are also there. Yes, sir. Normally, whenever the risk happens, whenever the uncertainty happens, like death to a person, we put the person's financial position in the same as he was before of
Can you
happening of
tell
that uncertain
can,
event. Yes, sir.
can you tell me the types of insurance policies and which policies are famous nowadays?
Normally, term insurance is one of the type of the life insurance policy, and we have ULIP plans, so unit linked insurance plan. We have endowment policies. We have money back guarantee policies. Yes, sir. These are normally the main policies which are going in the current market.
Explain term insurance.
Yes, sir. In term insurance, the policy holder pays certain premium per year and covers his life cover for a certain period of time. After after the period has been expired, the person won't get any maturity benefit, but the premium here is very low. Whenever the uncertain event happens, the nominee of the policy will get the benefit. Mature, yes, sir. Death benefit. We call normally term insurance as a traditional policy, sir. Yes.
Your answer is not correct. A term insurance policy is a type of life insurance that provides coverage for a specific period of time, years, correct. This type of insurance provides financial benefits to nominee in case of unfortunate demise of the insured during the policy term. Um, what are the benefits out of the term insurance policies?
Major benefit is we get the life cover, and the premium here is very low.
Hmm.
The
Good.
nominee get the death benefit in case the uncertain event happens.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. It puts us.
Good. This is a good point. This point is correct. You told nicely. I'm right. I'm happy. Good. Can you tell me the principles of insurance?
Yes, sir. The major principles of insurance industry is the principle of subrogation, the principle of utmost good faith, the principle of indemnity, the principle of contribution, the principle of loss minimization, the principle of insurable interest. Yes, sir. These are the major principles on which the insurance industry runs. Yes.
Good. How many did you tell?
I think seven I have said, sir.
Can you explain about any two of them?
Yes, sir. The principle of utmost good faith here tells us that every party of the insurance contract has to disclose their all the information related to them, like the policyholder has to disclose everything, such as previous his health history and all that, any habits he is having like smoking and drinking. And the policyholder has to, and the insurance company has to give the terms and conditions of the policy in the very beginning of the insurance contract itself. And we have other principle, like principle of indemnity here. Here, if the event, if the uncertain event happens, the policy holder gets whatever the loss he has been buried. For example, he has taken policy for the uh, from the insurer for 1 lakh, but the loss he has incurred is 50,000, then he gets only 50,000 of claim amount, not more than or not less than of that amount.
Good,
Yes, sir.
good, good. You explained nicely. What is your father?
My father is a construction worker, sir. Normally he takes contracts in the local areas
What
and
is
do
your
the
mother?
construction. My mother is a homemaker. Yes, sir.
How many siblings you have?
I have a elder sister, sir. She got married. Yes,
Which year you completed the education degrees?
I completed my graduation in 2015, and I completed my post graduation in 2022 in distance, sir. Yes.
In between, what were you doing all these years?
Actually, I'm currently working with Union Bank of India since 2018, sir, as a cashier. Previously, before that, I have worked with Cognizant as a process executive in Caliber Home Loans loan mortgage domain, sir. Yes.
Or have you written JAB, CIB exams?
Yes, sir. I have cleared JIB, but as I am preparing for these insurance exams, so I unable to give CIB. I didn't had enough time. After these things, I will look into it, sir. Yes.
Mhm. Can you tell me what is bank assurance?
Yes, sir. Bank assurance is a French term which combines the bank plus insurance. The It is an agreement between the bank and insurance companies, where the bank sells the product of insurance company for some commission. It
Your
helps the
bank,
insurance
your
company.
bank has arrangement with which insurance companies?
Yes, sir. We have arrangements with many insurance companies. In life segment, we have tie up with the Life Insurance Corporation of India, India First Life Insurance Corporation, and uh, Sud Life, Star Union, Daiichi Life Insurance. And in general insurance business, we have tie up with New India Assurance, United India Assurance Limited, and Bajaj Allianz, Cholamandalam EMS. And in health segment, we have tie up with uh, Religare, I mean Care Insurance, and Manipal Signa. Yes, sir. These are all the tie-up companies with our bank.
In your branch, which insurance policies are sold more?
Yes, sir. We have a joint venture with Star Union Daiichi. So most products of them are sold. Actually, one of the representative of that insurance company is sitting with us every day. So he takes care of the life insurance part. And in health segment, we have a Signa TTK health partner sitting with us. So mostly he takes care of the health insurance part. Yes, sir. Normally, I take care of insurance such as social security insurances like Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana and Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana whenever I get free time. I make poor people and underprivileged people to enroll in such product. Yes, sir.
What is the premium charged in Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana?
Yes, sir. It is 436 rupees per year, auto renewed every year, and life cover we get if the event takes place of rupees 2 lakhs. Yes, sir.
What is the Suraksha Bima Yojana? What is the premium?
It is an accidental death policy. The premium here is 20 rupees per year, sir, and
See,
it gets a yes,
is
yes,
it
sir.
is it not that these premiums are so low? Why should we have such policies?
So these policies are backed by the government of India itself. to make everybody financially inclusion, to make more people enrolled in this, to make create awareness among the underprivileged people and below poverty line people. So everybody has to get this safety net of insurance in their life, to improve these
Ve-
things,
ve-
and to
Very
improve
good.
the penetration.
Very good. You answered nicely. You have to use the word financial inclusion.
Yes sir, yes sir.
You used inclusion, not financial, doesn't matter. Now,
Sir.
can you tell me PMJDY? What is it?
Yes, sir. PMJDY is Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, which was started in the year 2015 to create. This is one of the financial inclusion program, where every unbanked person get get a chance to open their saving bank account with the banks, and they don't need to maintain any minimum balance in these accounts, and they get a insurance cover in these accounts under Suraksha Bima Yojana, and they get a overdraft facility of 10,000 rupees only for eligible candidates, and
There is
many other benefits are
there
there, sir, in
there are
this
a
scheme.
lot of news reports about GST, income tax, and all that. What is all that gossip going on? Why?
Actually, the tax has been collected from the very, I mean, under I mean, for corporate, taxes very low. For normal people, taxes are very high. People are thinking that the tax being collected from the uh, poor people more, and rich people less. So this kind of gossips are taking place in recent times.
No,
Maybe.
no. I want you to speak about that GST committee meeting and
Yes sir,
latest
recently.
committee, and also
Yes sir.
about that 15 lakhs. There are reports that government wants to revise the
Remove the tax,
middle class level
uh,
to make it
up
in,
to
now
15
it is
10 lakhs they are
exempted up to
saying.
7 lakhs. They wanted to raise it to 15 lakhs. We don't
Yes
know
sir,
what will
15 lakhs.
happen. Maybe
Sir,
up to 10
these are
lakhs it
just
may come.
expectations. Some
Expectations.
people are saying up to 10 lakhs they will exempt.
Yeah.
In the recent held 55th GST Council meeting, headed by Finance Minister Srimati Nirmala Sritaraman, there was a tax rate for popcorns under. There are three different tax rates. So this was like criticized by everyone in the India,
First class.
economists majorly.
Can you
Yes, sir.
please tell me about the premium collected by NIACL?
Yes, sir. We have collected the gross global written premium of rupees 41,996 crore.
Excellent. What is the number of claims processed by us? Percentage of claim recognition.
The current claims incurred ratio is 97%, sir. Yes,
Acha,
like
good.
33,000 crores we have incurred, sir.
Can you tell me marketing of insurance products? What are the difficulties faced?
Yes, sir. As digitalization has taken the majority of the market in the insurance industry, the intermediation has been disrupted, and there is a need for improve our strategies in digital ways, and also we have to design the products in a customer centric way. we have to we have to make product in tailor made for individual needs. So, and also we have to look into the
No,
claim
no.
settlements of
Here, here,
genuine
here you must tell about insurance penetration being low. Study how much
mm,
penetration is there and how it can be
1.1.
increased. Efforts are taken and like that. Some data, one or two points you must be able to tell about that. And yeah, basically, people, they don't want to spend money as an expenditure. That is the thing. You should talk about that also and how difficult it is to convince people. That is one
Mm.
thing. Good. You are
Yes, sir.
answering
Okay.
very well. You are answering very well. I have no problem. And no, what is your native place?
I'm basically born and brought up in Hyderabad itself, sir, Telangana.
Mhm. Can you tell me about Salarjung Museum?
Yes, sir. It is one of the oldest museum which holds the monument, which holds very old things, and it gives insights about how how the city of Hyderabad they used to rule the capital. It used to be the capital when the Nizam people ruled the country, ruled the state. Yes, sir.
What do you know about Charminar?
Charminar is also one of the oldest monuments in Hyderabad. It is a symbol of love of Shah Jahan times. In the yes, sir. I
Was it built by Shah Jahan?
no no no, sir. It was someone else. I just slipped my tongue.
Mhm.
It is a
I
good
don't.
tourist spot, we can say.
To,
I will read
Char-
about it, sir.
Charminar was built by Sultan Muhammad Kuli Qutub Shah.
Kuli Kutub Shahi. Yes, sir. Yes.
He built the Charminar in 1591. He was the fifth ruler of Qutub Shahi dynasty. The first building in Hyderabad, his new capital. The Charminar is a square shaped structure with four pillars and intricate carvings. It is a monument and mosque that symbolizes city's heritage and celebrates the influence of Muslim Turkomans in India. The exact reason for the building of Charminar is unclear, but there are
Hmm.
several theories. It is to honor his wife Bagmati, to commemorate the end of devastating plague, to honor Allah, something like that. Good, but I don't
Okay,
know.
sir.
This is very unfortunate. I asked this question, but they can
Sir.
ask. They can ask.
Hmm.
It is there. This thing. There are some more tough questions. Maybe I will ask next time when I talk to you. You are doing well, but go through the questions that have been given to you. Have you gone through all the questions that I have given you? 37 pages.
I have checked all the questions, sir. I have prepared notes for them also. Yes.
Who will file ITR 1 and ITR 3?
Yes, sir. An individual taxpayer who earns the salary and HUF can file in ITR one, whereas ITR three is for income from business, sir. Yes.
Super. Good. Very good. I will give you good rating. Rest is in God's hands. Best wishes. Any
Okay, sir.
questions?
Thank you. Actually,
Any?
this question asked me, sir, in OACL.
Acha, acha, this question was given by you only.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
What an interesting thing is like this. You are building you're constructing house. You go away from that place. When you return, it is giving you shelter. That way, very nice. See, this is what, if we do one good thing, it will do good for us also.
Mm,
God,
yes, sir.
you are one of the prospective candidates. I think I told you last time. In OICL itself, I must have told you, is it not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
But this time I was a little harsh. I don't know why. It is okay. You must learn tough things and come out happily.
No, sir. No problem. I
So,
will take it
uh,
as a challenge and
yeah.
prepare well.
How many marks will you give for your this interview out of 10?
Uh, I don't know, sir. Actually, few questions I didn't expect. Actually, that rules I haven't seen. I only checked this dual entry, dual
It's okay.
access part.
That is
So
okay.
that's
That's okay. That's okay. I will give you somewhere around 8. It depends. It
no,
depends.
sir.
This Charminar you are not answering and all will not reduce your marks.
Uh-huh. Actually, if they ask about total Hyderabad, na, sir. I can just say Charminar is one of the part, or
Yeah,
else
yeah.
shall I
No, no, no.
study
But
detailly about?
About Hyderabad, you better go to Wikipedia and make a proper write up in 5 lines about the
Sir.
IT officers like say Google, I don't know, IBM,
IRDA headquarters also here only, sir.
IRDA headquarters, then Rural Development Institute, something is there.
CRISAT is
IDEA,
there, sir.
yeah, so many things. Please prepare about them from business angle.
Mm.
Oh, this is your third mark with me. Two for
Sir,
Oriental.
yes.
This is third.
Third
Then,
one, sir. Yes.
how do you rate yourself? Compare this with the previous ones.
With you, sir.
Mm. With
Myself,
my only compare all the three interviews you have had with me. So, is this
Mm.
better than the previous ones, or same as the previous ones, or less than the previous ones?
Actually, the first interview you have taken me, that was the best, sir. I think maybe that was new. That is why I'm thinking like that. But I feel like mostly you have asked different questions. Actually, many questions they related. I can say many questions they have asked me from those things also.
Oh.
So
Anyhow, doesn't
I
matter. I wish you success. Let us see what
yes, sir.
happens.
Yes, sir. Thank
Um,
you, sir.
you will do well, but I think for you only those questions were asked about. You are working in Union Bank. Who is your MD and CEO? Was it asked to you?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Yes, sir. Yes.
so you will succeed in that interview. If
I think. Yes.
if I know how you are answering, you will score good marks in that interview. And if you have scored good marks in written test, you will be selected.
Hope I will select. I will get selected, sir.
Yeah, yeah. You'll be selected from there if you have done good marks in the written test.
Mm.
Thank you.